Good morning, witches. Welcome back to Pagan Pathways with Jessica for this Witchy Wisdoms Wednesday. I hope you enjoy the video. It's on the elements, and don't forget to check out the other ladies' pages. In today's video, we're going to go over the elements. I provide you some very basic information. I want to suggest that you spend at least 1 month working with individual elements so you can get to know them and really understand how to work with them. I also want to suggest that you start with the element water. With everything going on in the world today, the element water would be very beneficial to each and every one of us. Here we have the element of earth in the direction north. Earth provides us with stability, and it is the very foundation of life. Without Earth, we would cease to exist. Earth supports everything. It is calming and centering for us. Earth provides all that we need: food, shelter, and water. Without Earth to ground us, we would not be able to be calm and centered. Earth equals foundation, stability, security, our body, healing, prosperity, abundance, and physical manifestations. Connecting with the elements is very important and essential to spell work, and it's also important and essential to daily life. The elements are important because they are the very essence of life. We need them all. So to begin working with the element of earth can be as simple as standing barefoot in the grass or the dirt and allowing the energy to flow through you and really connecting on an intimate level. Next, we have the element of air. It is the direction of east. Air, the element of movement, of physical movement that you can't actually touch. Air is the element that gives us the breath of life. Without air, we would cease to exist. Air is an element that can carry all the other elements. It can also carry sounds and scents to us. Air equals intelligence, wisdom, knowledge, communication, purification, and protection. You can do deep breathing exercises to connect with the element air. You could also stand in the wind. The element of fire is the direction of south. The element of fire is transformative, meaning that everything it touches changes to ash, dust, or smoke. With fire, we can cook our food, warm our homes, and light our way. Fire makes life way more comfortable. Fire is as destructive as it is creative. It is also the only element that must consume another element to exist. Fire equals passion, creativity, sexual energy, motivation, personal power, manifestation, new beginnings, will, and courage. Working with the element of fire is easy as lighting a candle and watching the flame. Feel the power of the element fire and connect with it. The element of water is also the direction of west. Nourishment for all life, plants, animals, and humans alike need water to survive. Water is transformative and endless, the cycle of water from the rain to the puddle to the clouds and back to the rain again. Water can be liquid, gas, or solid. It's a shapeshifter. Water extinguishes fire, water floods the earth, and water can mix with the air. Water is also reflective. Water is a base element for most magical potions. Water equals emotions, transformations, movement, feelings, healing, intuition, intention, balance, and devotion. There are numerous ways to work with the element water, but the easiest way is to do it daily while you're in the shower. Let the feeling of the water wrap around you, flow through you, and connect with her. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make a note that everything I listed is not the complete listing for each element. There's so much more to know. Alright, witches, I'm going to get out of here and we'll talk soon.